Hello, wonderful people. I greet you all. Igbo Class World, bringing to you all you need to know about traveling and the teaching in general. Wonderful people, are you been dreaming to come to UK? Are you been seeking for somebody who will give you invitation to travel to UK? This is free and wonderful opportunity for you. Healthcare Foundation has issued invitation for all of you to apply to come to UK if you wish to. So, my wonderful people, the Health Trust Foundation has issued the invitation for all of you. I will show it to you and I will give you the link. First of all, the link will be added to the Facebook after 2 days. But now I'm going to place it in our YouTube channel called Igbo Class World. So if you want to see the link quickly, go to our YouTube channel called Igbo Class World. Igbo Class World. Class is spelled with K instead of C. Is our YouTube. I will quickly add the link there because it will expire very soon. So, dear people, let me quickly walk you through where they wrote everything about the invitation and the link and the deadline. So please follow us and go to our laptop to show you everything you need to know. Hello, wonderful people. This is the site where they issued you invitation. Their name is called the Health Foundation Scotland. They are calling all of you. Are you been seeking and dreaming of somebody who will give you invitation to come to UK? This is golden opportunity. You see, the deadline for application is midday on Wednesday, 10th January 2024. So hasten up to apply. You never can tell who will win this golden opportunity. You see, they say that improving health and reducing inequality in the Scotland steering group call for expression of interest. They are calling people that has interest to apply because they need a lot of hands. They need capable hands. Have you seen where they say invitation to apply? So they say to support in this vendor, we are looking for individual from abroad. Have you seen it? I'm pointing the cursor on it. From abroad, range of sectors with an interest, expert, experience in improving health and reducing inequality, particularly through social and economic drivers of health to help shape the program work, maximize impact of inform any related work of the Health Foundation Scotland. How to apply? So excuse, let me show you. Let's read it so that you will understand. So dear people, I want to read it out with AI so that you will know and listen very attentively.
We are seeking people with an interest, expertise and/or experience in improving health and reducing inequalities to be part of our steering group for a new program of work in Scotland. This steering group will help to shape and inform the development of the work by providing expert challenge and independent scrutiny of plans, policy recommendations and partner outputs. Deadline for applications is midday on Wednesday the 10th of January 2024. The Health Foundation Report, Leave No One Behind, published in January 2023 into the state of health and health inequalities in Scotland, highlighted concerning trends that indicate a lack of improvement in the decade before the pandemic and, in many cases, widening inequalities, with signs that the most disadvantaged are being left behind. The Health Foundation is supporting a new policy research unit to deliver a 3-year program of activity focused on the key role of economic, social and environmental factors in shaping health and driving inequalities. Building on our previous work.
Hello, wonderful people. I have paused it so that you have heard the AI read it out. So the important thing is how to apply. So let me see. This is how to apply. This paragraph is how to apply. read the call for expression of interest. And again, this is the email to apply. This is the another email to apply. If you have any query about the role, please, they are calling on, if you have if you're having any role in public health or health in general, and you want to contribute to apply, is 3 years. When you apply and you scout through, you win this application, they are going to give you 3 years to come over and join them in their research. So excuse me. So, dear people, let the AI read it out for you. Listen attentively.
How to apply. If you are interested in applying, please follow these steps. Read the call for expressions of interest document for a comprehensive overview of the role. Complete an application form including a short written expression of interest, maximum 400 words, outlining why you would like to be involved and what expertise and experience you would bring to the group. Submit a recent CV or biography setting out your relevant experience. Applications should be sent to healthalives.tenders@health.org.uk no later than midday on Wednesday the 10th of January 2024. If you have any queries about the role, please email healthalives.tenders.
Yes, this is important information here. You have to apply. Complete application form, including a short written expression of interest, maximum of 400 words. Again, submit your CV or bring biography setting out your relevant experience. That is important information. And another important information here is that you have to submit your application before 10th of January 2024. That is important information here. Dear people, share our video so that others will see it and benefit. Many people have been looking for wonderful opportunity like this, but they don't know how to go about it. So help them to share the video. If you need the link, indicate that you need the link. We will give you the link. Our admin, Ifeanyi Charles and Amaka, will give you the link in the comment section. But first of all, I will place the link in our YouTube channel. So if you want to quickly see the link, go to our YouTube channel called Igbo Class World. Thank you for listening. Bye for now. Please share our video. Share our video.